Model 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 2901.6 CDTI 120 D CL2H1 Euro 6 needs gearbox. Body grey, factory crew cab. Mileage 170243. MOT the 20th of March 2025. Engine 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. The gearbox is winding and grinding in most of the gears. 6th gear does not exist. Will need the gearbox repairing or replacing. The engine starts and sounds brilliant. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, factory fitted crew cab, aircon, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.